Hey folks, thought I'd take a minute today to make a quick video about my PRS semi-hollow Bigsby. Not going to do a big guitar review video today on it, but more of a shout out to Tyson Spinney for doing awesome repair work. He's a local guy here in Lawrencetown and just does fantastic work. This guitar I've had for a long time and it's very important to me. It's usually the guitar that does the lead fills in behind the scenes on most of my songs, most of my recordings. And so when something goes wrong with it, I'm very distressed. So fortunately, Tyson is not far away. He does fantastic work and he's quick and he's not expensive. So there you can hear a typical place in a recording or a song that I would use it in the back there, giving a little lead. And yeah, so here's a little clip that I made before I took it in. This is what happened. A little grounding problem. So this developed a short, so I just soldered a line to the pot and then to put it under my Bigsby. And so I'm going to take it to Tyson and he's going to make it all better. So yeah, as you can see there, I did a bit of a hack job. Just soldered a wire to the back of a pot and brought it up on top of the guitar and put it underneath the Bigsby, and that got me through. Very crude, but the location of the true grounding wire is beyond my ability to get to. I tried to pull this pot or this bushing a bit, but no, you need the right gear for that. So we're going to go down and see Tyson and get it done right. Full review coming up soon. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Later, folks.
Alright, so what I did here, this came in with no bridge ground. So this wire was tucked under here, soldered to the back of there, and exposed up on the top of the guitar. So we removed that, took the old wire that had come undone from this bushing here, popped the bushing out, pulled out the wire, pushed that back in, and now we have continuity to the ground. And no buzzing.